Hello everyone, I'm Ashley McGinn, a member of the AEC Digital Transformation team, and today I'm going to show you one of the new features available in the new release of AutoCAD 2021. If you save drawn files to a Box, Dropbox or Microsoft OneDrive account, versions of these drawn files are created each time they're saved. Use the new Drawing History palette to see a list of the drawing versions. Compare the saved versions with the current version of your drawing. You can choose which version to compare based on calendar dates, the person who made the change, or a minimum time increment between the versions. Here you see the filter for user, filter by date, and also the filter by time increment. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to be kept up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.